If you visit any house this Christmas and they don't give you this turkey stew for Christmas, tell them next year Christmas you will not be visiting. Yes, tell them Martha always says so. Now tell me, what is Christmas without a Christmas turkey stew? Yes, this Christmas must be Christmasing and the stew must be stewing. Now, you know me, I like bringing out new things. Let me show you how I made this turkey stew that you can try for Christmas. It's from one level to another. Forget about that old way you have been using. Try this method. Watch this video to the end and you will learn one or two to make your stew for Christmas. Man, the aroma in my kitchen was breathtaking. For starters, you want to use this kind of tomatoes. I think we call them wine tomatoes. I went to my store. I just neatly selected them. This is Christmas too, and you want to be very, very careful when you are picking out your ingredients. You want to be careful, select good ones. You don't want any spoiled ones. Now you're gonna add this yellow pepper. Yes, depends on you. If you don't want it too peppery, you can have half of it. Now just go ahead and clean your tomatoes and your pepper. I'll go and use enough onion. I'll cut the tomatoes into the sizes. I just want to see their faces, like just cut them like that. I'll do the same thing with my bell pepper and my long pepper. I'll be using enough onion. I think for this video I used more than 5 onions. Now the same thing for your meat, you want to wash with vinegar. I also wash the tomatoes with vinegar. Wash your turkey clean. We transfer this into the pot. You go in with your seasoning, your curry, your thyme, your oregano, your every seasoning you will use to season your meat. But you want to be generous with it because we are not going to marinate the turkey, and turkey is a very hard bed, so you want to be generous with it. And you add a little bit of water. I added my magic garlic and ginger paste. If you've not watched the video of how I make this, it's on my page. We'll gently stir this around. We want all the spices to go around, so just take your time, gently stir this. Making this, you don't need to rush, so plan ahead of time. You can make this 2 or 3 days before Christmas. We'll cover this and allow this to cook. Come back to it, check for the texture. The same pot, after scooping out your meat, you add your tomatoes and pepper into the pot. Now here is the trick. You want to add some curry, you want to add some thyme, you want to add all the ingredients, and the secret here is this sesame oil. Yes, Martha said so. Just a little will go a long way. You just add that into the tomatoes. You're not adding water. Just turn this around like you're boiling a meat, then cover the pot. Allow this to cook. This is what we have after a while. We'll keep that to cool off, then we're going to process it in our food processor. In the same pot, you go in with a vegetable oil, enough onion again. Now we want to build flavor in this oil. You just add the same thing you've added. I added some grounded onion powder. This is optional, you can skip it, but this is going to build up the oil, the flavor from the oil. Just a little tomato paste, depending on the quantity you're making. Then you fry this. Not for long. Then you add your tomato puree. Cover this and allow this to cook. We're not doing much frying here, just allow this to cook. You keep doing that. Cover, allow to cook. You stir because we don't want any burnt parts in it. Now we'll add the turkey stock into the. So if you've watched this video to the end, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button. We're going in with our spices, going in with your curry, your thyme, everything to adjust, and add your fried turkey. If you don't want to fry your turkey, you can use it boiled. And here we go, our Christmas stew done set. If you don't make this Christmas turkey stew for Christmas, what is Christmas then? Make sure you make this for your family or for your friends, and remember, you want to make this ahead of time. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless you. Bye.